Okay.
Here, let me hold the book.
Go down on your butt.
I know, she gives me a heart attack. She just gets right near the stairs, will dangle a foot off, and she's not even paying attention.
Okay, you ready? Catch. Catch. Kylie, catch.
Oh, it didn't know. Throw it hard. Oh.
You throw it?
Throw it hard. Whoa. Didn't even phase her. Throw it hard.
Throw it on the ground.
Hard. Throw it hard. See? Throw it hard. Oh. Don't throw them too close to her, but like around her, yeah.
Here.
Throw it hard. You have to throw it hard.
Throw it.
Oh, good job. I'm yelling into the phone. Good job. Throw it hard. Good job. She's got the hang of it. Is that fun? Oh, sorry, it's making a mess. I'm watching you. I thought you had to throw him down pretty hard, but I guess she's just... The car wash freaks her out, but these are fine. Is that fun? Look, Daddy has another one. Oh. Wow.
You throw it like way up in the air.
Oh. It didn't pop. That's a dud.
Is it?
She's having fun.